All right, folks, welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving deep into the financial world, specifically how to break into the finance sector. It's not just one industry. It's a colossal landscape filled with traditional banking, investment banking, fintech, and everything in between. I mean, just imagine wanting to be a pilot, but only knowing one type of aircraft. You wouldn't want to limit yourself like that, right?
Yeah, that's so true. So, what's the big difference between, let's say, traditional banking and fintech?
Great question. Traditional banking includes areas like investment and commercial banking, right? These are all about managing money for individuals or businesses in a more conventional way, like, physical branches and those really long applications. Now, fintech, on the other hand, is like taking the whole idea of banking and sprinkling on some tech magic. Think about things like cryptocurrencies or mobile banking apps. Much faster and more user-friendly.
Wow, that's super interesting. So, if someone wanted to get into this field, do they need to learn a whole bunch of new skills? I mean, it sounds pretty overwhelming.
Absolutely. First off, they need to speak the language. Finance is like a secret club with its own jargon. It's almost like learning a new language. You have to be comfortable with terms like liquidity, assets, and volatility. A good starting point? Pick up a copy of the Wall Street Journal or tune in to finance podcasts.
Okay. So is it just about reading, or does writing come into play too? How does one even craft a narrative that converts?
That's the next step. Crafting your story is crucial. Your narrative should connect your background and aspirations to the finance world. Think of it like a movie. You want the audience, recruiters in this case, to root for you. You could say something like, I was always good with numbers, but I also have this passion for investing, which was ignited when I... Pauses dramatically. You get the idea.
Right. So make it personal. But wait, how do you even get those technical skills? It all sounds so complicated.
It can be, but don't panic. Depending on what area you're eyeing, like asset management or fintech, you'll want to pick up relevant skills, like financial modeling or understanding specific metrics. There are so many online courses nowadays. It's like being a kid in a candy store. But, a candy store filled with balance sheets?
Lol, I love that analogy. So, what about networking? I heard that's super important, but it's kinda, awkward sometimes?
Oh, for sure. Networking is vital. Think of it more like making friends rather than trying to squeeze referrals out of people. You want to build genuine relationships. Go to industry events. Engage with folks on LinkedIn. Let them see your passion for finance. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality connections.
Yeah, I totally get that. So when you're actually applying, what's the secret sauce?
Good question. It's about being strategic. Instead of applying to every company under the sun, focus on those that resonate with you. Tailor your application to each firm. It's like customizing a pizza with your favorite toppings. Time laughs.
Chuckles. Exactly. So less is more, right? Just to bring it down to earth, do you have any real-world examples of people who made this work?
Definitely. I've encountered individuals who leveraged their personal stories alongside skills and strong networking to land jobs in finance. Like a friend of mine who, despite a non-finance background, shared her story about saving and investing since high school, which really struck a chord with recruiters. It's all about clarity and relentless curiosity,
Wow, that's inspiring. So you're saying if they show up, speak up, skill up, and stand out, they can earn their seat at the table?
Exactly. It won't happen overnight, but with the right strategy and a sprinkle of tenacity, anyone can break into finance. To wrap it up, stay curious, keep learning, and don't underestimate the power of a compelling narrative.
Amazing. Can't wait to see how this unfolds in the finance world. Thanks for the insights.